Alright, we're live on YouTube now. Hope you had a good day, man. I had a pretty good day. I streamed earlier with a rare daytime stream from me because today I didn't have work. So I decided I'm just gonna use that to work on my website. And I only streamed for like 2 hours, but we added like a edit your profile section where you can update your profile to include your LeetCode username and stuff. Is it family day for you guys too? No, man, it's family day. What the heck is that? It is President's Day today. George Washington's birthday, I think. Family day. That would be nice to have a family day. Anyways, I missed the contest over the weekend, the bi-weekly and the weekly. I'm a bit sad, but I don't know how to have performed. I didn't even look at the contest, so maybe I would have not done great. Maybe I've done really good. Who knows? Anyways, I'll do the LeetCode daily problem, and then we're gonna get into the web dev stuff. Almost Guardian, yeah. Stephen Code stuff. I've been almost Guardian for like 2 years now, maybe 3 years. I've been almost Guardian. I haven't been able. I think I've been stuck in the 2000 to 2100 range for some time now. But the reason I don't get Guardian is like I don't try and do the hard problems, man. I'm just really good at doing mediums, and then yeah, I haven't gained much elo for 3 years of study compared to like the first year and a half of studying when I was actually studying for a job versus like casually studying is a big difference, you know. Hepta 5 in the house. What's happening, Hepta 5? All right, here we go, here we go. Do you remember if you got 4 strong hires? Yeah, I remember for sure I did not get 4 strong hires. If I had to guess, I probably got 1, maybe 2 strong hires. But I don't really know. I'm only speculating. That's a lie? Wait, what's a lie? I remember you used to be in the 1900 or 2000 range. Now you're 2100. Yeah, I'm barely scraping the 2100s. But yeah, I've been in the 2000 ranges ever since I got into Google, I'd say. And I haven't really been able to crawl my way out or higher than that. Valeu, what's happened? How did you get your setup to this point? Best looking camera I've ever seen. What? Thank you very much. Well, before I started to stream, I was really into photography. So I had a bunch of equipment already. But I have bought a lot of new equipment since I started to stream. But yeah, when I first started out, man, I had a rinky-dinky webcam and a $100 microphone. And I guess over the years, I slowly upgrade. Now I have an upgraded camera. I have better microphone. I bought all this junk in the background. Bought a bunch of lighting. When I first started, I didn't have any like fancy lights. Now I got like at least, I don't know, 4 or 5 different lights in my studio. Any no hires? Yeah, I'm pretty sure I got a dang no hire. I completely bombed one round. How did I learn photography? I've been taking pictures ever since I've been a teenager. And I got into photography because I used to be into cars. I used to like to pimp out my ride. My Honda Civic was bumping, you know. So I had a group of friends with cars, and I'd enjoy taking pictures of everybody's car. And that's kind of how I got started with photography. I never really went to class. I just kind of learned as I went. And that was over 20 years ago, man. So I've always really been into photography. But anyways, let's start with the dang LeetCode, man. Out here talking about pictures. Here we go. LeetCode daily first. Mexico. What we talking about? Mexico, man. Mexico. All right, where are we at? What are we doing? Signing in. Oh, you mean I learned photography in Mexico? What? All right, I hope this daily problem ain't too crazy. Let's see what it is. Oh, I know this problem. I don't like it, but I'll do it. Construct smallest number from di string. You're given a zero index string pattern of length n consisting of the characters I, meaning increasing, and d, meaning decreasing. A zero index string num of length n plus 1 is created using the following conditions. Num consists of digits 1 to 9, where each digit is used at most once. Return the lexicographically smallest possible string num that meets the conditions. Oh, I think I've solved this problem a long time ago, but maybe not. No, maybe I've solved one similar to this, one that's not the lexicographically smallest. Honestly surprised when you say you don't attempt the hards. I always thought to break 2K you need to do Q4s consistently. Steam code stuff, I think I've solved Q4 like 3 times in my whole life. Like, man, I really rarely get Q4. You know, like, oh, there's back-to-back Q4s one time. And that's like it. I think these are like the first time I ever got Q4s, and I haven't gotten them since. There's 3 Q4s I've gotten. So out of 100 plus contests, because I've taken contests on other accounts, I've only gotten like 3 Q4s, man. So I think my rating is like this only because my speed is really good on Q1, 2, and sometimes 3. But yeah, the harder the problem, the more likely I am to not solve it, you know. What's the breakpoint for Guardian? Guardian is around 2152, I've heard. So I'm really close. If I had one top 100 finish, I'm sure I could get Guardian. Or if I had like 2 top 500 finishes, I think that would get me Guardian. All right. 1330 questions. Yeah, not bad. Getting there. But look how many hards. Only 100 hards. I've done, yeah, mostly mediums is what I do. And I guess half of the easies. Get to 1337. Yeah, maybe I'll try and do that, man. It's reassuring to hear you got in with 1 no higher. Yeah, Code with West, I completely bombed 1 round. I even told the interviewer, I was like, I give up, man. I ain't solving this. I can't do it right now. And I just gave up, and we started just joking around instead. Get to Elite, then post on Reddit. Yeah, maybe I'll do that if I remember. I don't bother with hards, not enough time in interviews. Yeah, so I think I got 1 or 2 hards during my interview. And the time I got the hard, the interviewer told me it was like a follow-up to a follow-up because I had crushed every other problem he gave me. And he gave me this last one and he's like, look, I don't expect you to finish coding this up, but let's go through it and I'll stop you a few minutes before time is up. And it was like a crazy backtracking problem, and I explained how I'd do it, and I set up like, I just briefly went through how I'd structure everything, and he's like, yeah, I've seen enough, I think you can do this, let's just end it early. No condom Chris. Redeeming type racer. What's happening, man? Welcome to the party. Think you could solve this hard? Let's see. Well, I can't see what it is. But distance to a cycle in undirected graph. Yeah, maybe not, man. Anyways, so let's do type racer, then I'm gonna try this. But these types of problems are my weakest problems. Anything to do with lexicographical is smallest. I really suck at them, but we'll try and figure it out. All right, here we go, type racer, and then it's LeetCode daily time. Where the hell is my chat? Oh, Brett is in the house. What's happening, Brett? I'm sure you can get. Dang, you got LeetCode Premium, Brett? Or did you look it up on LeetCode? All right. Oh, I meant the daily. Oh, I thought you meant the hard problem that Code with Wes linked. Yeah, I have some ideas for the daily, but I don't know how to solve it yet. Icy Black Deep. What's happening? Clistar, I see you. All right, here's the warm-up. Only the warm-up. Oh, man. Why does this have misspelled words? Does it? Lots of misspelled words. Yeah, that was tough. Even no condom Chris couldn't hit triple digits there. Hector HSC. Thank you very much for those bits. How come I didn't hear the notification? Thank you very much though. Let me do that real quick. Hector HSC. Thank you very much. Man, your diamonds are growing. Thank you so much. All right, back to the type racer championship round starting right now. Did I give it to my Discord? All right, I just posted it. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Post it one more time. Championship round, ready to ride. I'm gonna drink some water. All right, it's party time. Man, 122. Wow, read the passage. What are you talking about? Ice Cold Witch. How you doing? What, are you saying I make a lot of mistakes, or is that passage kind of strange? All right, 122 for no condom Chris. Very fast indeed. Let's add that. At the bottom? What do you mean? Flumsy in the house, man. Wait, what do you mean at the bottom? What are you talking about? Ice cold witch? The paragraph? Wait. That, what did I type? It's gone now, man. What's happening, Flumsy? How are you doing? All right, wait. Let me add this real quick before I forget. 122 for no condom, Chris. Iron Rooster, thank you very much for the follow. Welcome to the party. How am I feeling? I'm feeling good. I think I just slept bad, man. You know, like sometimes you sleep bad and then you wake up, you have like a kink in your neck or something, but it hurts your back. I think that happened, but on a level that I've never experienced before because it has never hurt that much, and I couldn't even really move the whole day, man. And it yesterday I was feeling a little bit better. It felt more normal, and today it's still lingering, my pain, but it's going away. All right, LeetCode daily time. LeetCode daily time. Smallest number from DI string. I already read the problem, so let's try and figure it out. Yeah, I'm already feeling better, Flumsy. Thanks. Alright, so the answer here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 8, 7, 6. Man, how did I do this? Do you think maybe you slept awkwardly? Yeah, that must have been it for sure. You know, I had one glass of wine that day. I don't know if I got too drunk and I fell asleep weird because of that one glass or something. Anyways. Yeah, it was crazy, man. I got real shit-faced. It was a big glass. I don't know. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, Ice Cold Witch. I must have blacked out or something, or something happened. Anyways, gotta take you out into the city. Dang. What do you got planned, Flumsy? Drink some alcohol? Hold on. Increase, increase, increase. 1, 2, 3, 4 increases. And then 4 decreases. Does that tell me anything? I'm not sure. JP Chris or J Chris P, thank you very much for the sub. Oh, look at that. Thank you so much. 2025. Okay, so how long? Oh, it's... Dang, it's only 8 long. So that means we're like... Are we backtracking? I didn't even look at that. I was trying to do some other crazy stuff. So it needs to be n plus 1. Alright, I think I can do this, man. I think I can do it. So I'm gonna try to backtrack this, which means you try every possible combination. I don't know. Let's see. So I don't know how to set it up yet, but I know I'm going to do it recursively, and we'll figure out the rest. So maybe, all right, if I goes out of bounds, then we're done, huh? But out of bounds is maybe strange here, because normally I'd say if it's greater than equal to n, that means we're out of bounds. But since the length of the string that we're producing is n plus 1, then maybe I'll only go until greater than n. And I don't know what I'm doing here yet. Let me think. Let's think. But here, I suppose... Wait. Maybe I'll keep like... We want the min. Can I use min on strings like that? Alright, how the hell am I gonna do this? So when we see an increasing... Wait, I don't know, man. Do I just start from... Wait, how many digits? 9 digits. Do I just iterate through every single number and see if the pattern matches? And the first number that I see, can I do that also? Like, so if we know the pattern is n length, then I just go from I don't know. Then just go from every number, from the smallest number to the biggest number you can make, and check that it matches the thing here. Or is that too many iterations because it's like billion, 9 digits? It might be too much, man. All right, let me just keep going with this backtrack stuff. I'm just not very fast these days, man. All right, so if we're at the 0 index, what does it mean? I don't know. Let me think. Should I try starting it like with every single digit? Can we start with a 0? Or is a leading 0 not considered a good digit? Or they say 1 through 9, they don't say 0. So I'll just try and start everything. Alright, so I start with a digit, I backtrack, and then I pop that back. And now we're at 0. So then the next thing that we put onto this has to match with I minus, wait, just I. So in this case, maybe I'll put this back. So if that means we're out of bounds. All right. What am I doing, man? So if it's an increase, then do we choose every possible number? I think so. If it's an increase, then I will go from character is cur.back until we're increasing, so it's less than equal to 9. And then I'll try and backtrack here. So cur, push back C, and then backtrack I+1, next index, pop back. And then if it's a decreasing, I'll do the opposite. I'll go from greater than equal to 1. And then once we get out of bounds, then I just record the best answer that I've seen. And hopefully that will give me a correct answer, man. Hopefully it even compiles. Let's see. I don't know if I made that right. Let me think. Why did I mess up? If it's an I, or if it's why is it tripping, man? Backtrack. All right, we gotta see. How long have you had long hair for? This hair is about 12 years old, I'd say. About 12 years. But I've had long hair before this as well. Maybe I've had long hair for a long time. Hey, what the heck is going on here, man? Oh, maybe I got a +1. Wait, this one is decreasing, -1 and +1. All right, let's see. It shouldn't time limit exceed, you know, but it still does. That's crazy. Why does it do that? Because it gets stuck at 8. All right, so when we're at 8, why is it tripping? Oh, snap. Because it's because I mean, I see something terribly wrong. Why does it keep going beyond this number? Oh, snap. I see right here. Come on now. Still wrong. Come on, man. Maybe this doesn't work? Oh, wait, Saddam from YouTube. My bad, I just seen your message. Explain the thought process if possible, or explain after you submit. You have a newbie here. So backtrack mean after you include strings to your answer, remove that string and call the function recursively again. I have not learned backtracking yet. Yeah, backtracking is like you're trying every possible path, and then you see which one is the best answer, basically. Do you see the condition that you cannot repeat digits? I did not. But I think I have other problems too, Brett. Hold on. Q Ultimus, welcome to the party. Wait, cannot repeat digits? Oh, man. Now I see. Thank you, Brett. Alright, so let's keep track of that use digit stuff. But look, my thing is still empty, man. I was trying to figure out why my answer is empty. Because I should at least have... Oh, you know why? Maybe because... I know why. Maybe because, like, an empty answer is more minimum than a filled one. Yes. Okay, so now I got to do the cannot repeat digits stuff. So I'm going to use a vector of that size 10. Each element in this vector represents basically a boolean, but I'm going to use an int because I heard vector of bools got some weird issues with it. So what I'm doing here is after I use a number, I'm going to mark it as seen. So used, so I'm marking that as true, but then after we use it, I can mark it as false. Well, you could use unsigned char then. Yeah, I could use a more nicer number. Should I do all that? All that doesn't, nobody cares about that for LeetCode though. Maybe in real life I would. Should I just do it? Wait, or I don't even know the syntax. I'm gonna just use my ints. I'm gonna just use my ints, man. Don't you worry. What was I doing? All right, I was marking them as true or false. Use long. And then here I gotta say if used is if we've used it, then continue, right? Otherwise, do all that. That's what I'm saying. If we're optimizing, we could use the bit sets. Yeah. Yeah, you know, where do we draw the line, you know? But yeah, is bit set? Must be. Well, a bit is the smallest bit, right? It's not like physics where in 20 years we're gonna split the bit and we're gonna find like smaller particles than bits. I don't know how quantum computing works, if like maybe there's more than just a bit now. Can you split a bit more? Who knows, man? I don't even know what I'm talking about right now. All right, there we go, backtracking. Use an enum, seen, not seen. Wait, but isn't that less efficient than say bits? Because first the enum is still a char. Old rope memory has 3 states. Physically, bits are the smallest on hardware. Yeah, I don't know. I don't even know anything about hardware. Alright, easy work. This problem ain't too bad. So this is just a backtracking problem. Nothing. I think backtracking, once you figure out backtracking, it is one of the easiest algorithms to implement, I think, because it's always the same pattern, man. You're always doing something and then you backtrack and then you undo whatever you did, and then it's always like recursive. So it's so nice to at least recursive backtracking. I don't know how to do any other backtracking, but I was afraid of backtracking for years, man. And then one day I just decided to do them and it wasn't too bad. Commercial? Wait, what the heck are you talking about, Q? You got commercials in here? Alright. That's it for LeetCode. You know what time it is now. It is web dev time. Q, thank you very much for the sub. Commercial for backtracking? No. Yeah, this is brought to you by backtracking. In 5 minutes, you can learn backtracking. All right, Q Ultimus. Thank you very much. Much appreciated. Big backtracking. Yeah, maybe I kind of do, you know? Yeah, thank you very much, Q. Look at that. You got your 2nd star for the year. Very good, very good. So, all right. Earlier today, this is my live website. Let me switch over. I'll fill you in on what I did earlier. So I had a little stream earlier. I'm officially sold on Cursor, man. I switched over from VS Code to Cursor. Last week, I forget who it was, but somebody who was new to the stream came in and he was talking about Cursor. And he even shared his website that he built with Cursor. I was like, dang, this guy says he built his website in 5 minutes only. And I'm out here spending 3 months building my shit. I should try Cursor out, you know? So over the weekend, I tried it out. And now I think I'm sold on it. I switched over. Is this a derivative of VS Code? I think it is. It is a fork. Derivative. People say that, man. It's a fork. But yes, I know what you're talking about, Icy Black Deep. We're bringing in that math terminology. Or financial terminology. I don't know. But it's just a fork with AI integrated. I'll show you. Like you can say things. All right, let me run it first. Let me start up my app. Zoom Venom. What's happening? Excited to see what you do with Cursor AI. Yeah, it's all AI, man. It's AI integrated into everything. Which, I mean, oh, that's the back end. This is very similar to my workflow at work. Like, we have a fork of VS Code that we use internally, and it also has AI integrated into it, but which is kind of probably like Copilot. Anyway, so earlier I added this profile page where you can start to edit your information and stuff like that. And then, so let me show you what Cursor can do. Cursor basically did that whole part for me. All right, let me say, all right, let's try and make it so that each label is on the same line as the text box or something like that. I'm gonna be like, wait, I'm gonna highlight this. I don't know how to use Cursor that well. I'm gonna chat. I'm gonna say, let's change this so that the labels for the fields are on the same line. Let's see if it can do something like that. Did it do anything different, man? I don't even know. Maybe I don't want the chat. Wait. Oh, I can just hit apply. Oh, look at that. Apply. Yeah, do that. Let's see. And look at that, man. The labels are on the same line now. All right, let me tell you. Actually, undo all that. It looks ugly. This is the future of programming, they say, man. All right, apply. Yes. All right, they put it back. All right, what else can we try? It's so good that I'm scared now. Bobby Blue, don't worry. I think we'll be okay. All right, let me ask it to style my type racer page, and let's see how it looks when it does that. All right, here we go. Here we go. Should we edit? All right. Hold on. Let's change this so that the two tables are wait, what should we change? Let's say it's that the two tables look nicer. I don't know what the hell. Let's see if we can. All right, let's see. Accept. Whatever. Dang, look at that. Except the text is ugly. So Jesus. Let me just undo that. Or follow-up instructions. The color of the background makes everything hard to read. Can we keep the color the same as it was before? What's it gonna do, man? Let's see. I guess it looks better. Look, they even cleaned up my dang floating point mess decimal thing. Alright, what else can we do, man? I don't even know what I was supposed to be doing here. Yeah, oh, adding pagination. Yeah, I don't even know how to say that. Let's do that, let's do that. Oh, I think that task might be too difficult because... Alright, we'll see, we'll see. Wait, how come I can't scroll over anymore? It's like weird, you know? So it's chopped off there. Who did that, man? All right, let me try that. Add. Wait, can we break up the all wins table? Wait, can we break up this section so that it shows the wins by different years? Let's see how crazy this AI can get, man. I want it. I don't think it can do this. If it can do this, our jobs are not safe for sure. I'm seeing if it can break this whole thing up and just put like how I did it on the front page with the years. I want to see if it can do something similar. Our jobs might not be safe, man. Wait. Wait, I think they're safe. I think we're safe. It didn't even break it up by the year, man. Should I try and debug this or what? Follow up. Yeah. I'd like only 1 year at a time to be displayed. The user should be able to click on the other years to load data. We might be safe. All right, let's see if that works. But we don't know how to do pagination either, yeah. But we can figure it out, man. All right, I think we're safe for now, man. It couldn't do that task. Maybe it's close. I don't really know. But what did it do? Yeah, I don't know what the hell it did, man. Didn't do anything. Really didn't do nothing. Anyways, I guess we can give up on that. I think we gotta break it down into smaller tasks. Wait, did I add? Did no condom Chris just win? Oh, this is not the live site. All right, so what I'm trying to really do here is we have these LeetCode profiles. What I want to do is to create like a LeetCode scraper that's going to visit all the profiles registered on the website and add information to the database and then display it here on this stats page, you know. When you press the filter by tabs, why does the most wins place change? Because when there's ties, I guess there's no, I don't specify how to break ties. So that's why it changes. I could fix that, perhaps. Wait, how do I sort these things, man? Ascending. So if it's ascending, oh, I'd probably have to be like, if the WPMs are the same, then wait, sorry, this is why it's changing every time, Q. So if the WPMs are the same, then we should return the date or something. I don't know which way that works, but I think that should fix the problem with, let's see. Well, that one still sorts weird. Oh, maybe the dates are, let me use a username. Oh, maybe I gotta change this one too. Who knows, Q? Maybe one day I can fix it, but it ain't it ain't today. All right, all right. Let me check my database. I gotta figure out. All right, I need to add a new table. So I was struggling with my tables earlier. I need to make a new table. This one is gonna be called LeetCode Profile or something, right? What fields do I need here? I want created at, maybe an updated at. What else do we need? Problems, maybe. Easies. Four bytes. Is 4 bytes enough? Probably. That's like, that's way more than enough, man. What are you talking about? Right? 8 bytes. Yeah, because that's 32 bits. Yeah. Wait, this is ID. This should be a UUID. But I also want this to be a foreign key. To my users. Right? Yeah. What else do I need? Easy solves, medium solves, hard solves. Contest rating. What other information is there for us? Let's see on our LeetCode profile. What do I want, man? Maybe our submissions, but I can add that in the future. All right, I'll start with that. Just some basic things. So we got the problem solved. Oh, maybe how many contests attended. That might be a good thing. Should I put everything in one thing? Yeah. Contests attended. There's a GraphQL LeetCode API. Yeah, Flumsy, I was looking at that. And I was definitely reversing it, man. It's not too crazy. Man, Flumsy, I kind of want to talk to you about some stuff, but it would have to be offline. Because I don't want to give away my secret project. GraphQL is the worst? Yeah, but maybe, all right. Maybe you can have an idea, though, what I'm working on. I'll just tell you. I'm trying to work on a new LeetCode, man. But I've only started it recently. And a lot of this work I've been doing with my front end, I've been kind of getting the knowledge to build that other stuff. Simon Lally says GraphQL is great. I've never used GraphQL. Right after the new type racer. Yeah, look. Let me well, look. We got the new type racer is going to be called Type Blazer. Well, not that. Anyways, and then I just bought this. The algorithm is going to be called Algo Blazer. You like those names? Algo Blazer for algorithms and Type Blazer for typing. Look at that. I already got a bunch of Algo Blazer problems. Anyways. And AI Blazer software tools. What's happening? We don't need AI Blazer. I was trying to get Code Blazer, but Code Blazer was taken. All right, anyways, let me try and finish what I'm doing here. So I got these things. I'm the only person with a profile here now, but we can fix that. Is .blazer new .com? No, I'm talking typeblazer.com, algoblazer.com. You know what I'm saying? All right, so let me try and create this scraper thing. So I guess I'll make a new project. Let's call this LeetCode Profile Scraper. or something, right? Or should I name, all right, let me think of a better name. Profile scraper. I like that. Profile. Let me ask ChatGPT. Give me a cool code name for a project that will scrape LeetCode user data. We need a good project name. Code Harvester. No. Algo Sleuth? No, that's... These are lame, man. Give me more. Data Forge. Byte Tracker. Oh, Algo Tracker. How about that? Code Scout. I'm gonna rename this to Tracker, Blaze Tracker, Algo Tracker. Man, I don't know how to call my things because I've been using a mix of underscores, dashes, camel case stuff. Who knows? Is it possible for AI to give interesting and unique names if it is pulling data from the internet? Yeah, man. No idea is unique, man. All ideas have been thought of before, right? Something. These are better than what I came up with. The one thing I could think of was profile scraper, man. But look how many other names this came up with. Leet miner. I kind of like that. All right. All right. How do I do this? Create a new project. CD into it. I guess this is just gonna be some type of node. .npm init. And then what? Do I make a new index file or something? Let me just copy my LeetCode online tracker thing. Because it's gonna probably be the same. Alright, how about this? I'm gonna just tell make a file that will, make a script that will query a Supabase table called LeetCode or profile, and then for each row visits that user's LeetCode profile page and save the following information. What do we want? We want easy, medium, hard problem solved. We want contest attended. We want contest rating. And what else do we need? Whatever. That's probably good enough for now. I forget. Let me see real quick. I got created that. We got Easy, medium, hard, racing contest attended. Yeah, that's it. That's it, that's all. Looks good. It looks good to me, man. Alright, let's try this. I am Tauma. Hello there, welcome. Thank you very much for the follow. Alright, what are the chances that this script works? Probably none. Don't worries. I have a question. What is your question? LeetCode profile. What cam model do I have? I have a ZV E1, I think. ZV E1. No. Is it the E1? Yeah, this is it. The ZV E1. Oh, look. It's on sale, man. This is the one. I also got a Sigma Arts 35. I got one of these lenses too. So yeah, so about $3,000 for the camera and the lens. Maybe a bit less. Was the lens worth the price? It really depends on what you use it for. Yeah, but I think the lens is great. I used to have cheaper lenses, but man, I don't know. I suppose for a studio lens like this, it doesn't have to be a 1.4. And I'm not even sure if I use it at 1.4 here in my studio, but when I take it outside, I'm using 1.4. Especially at nighttime, I'm using that 1.4 aperture. All right, what was I doing? We're trying to see if this dang script is gonna work, but I don't want to update too much junk. And I guess I should put these in. I guess I should install Supabase. And Puppeteer. All right, did that, what is it doing? All right, there we go. I don't know if this is gonna work, man. All right, here we go. Hey, how the hell do I run this? What year is this? 2024? NPX TS node? Let's see. Should I just change this to .js because I don't know what I'm doing? Probably. Okay, maybe that wasn't the issue. Oh, now it has a bunch of types, but I don't want any types. That's the only thing that had a type? Crazy. No, it's not. Het Tennis. Thank you very much for the raid. I'm doing web dev today. How are you doing, Het Tennis? This is my second stream of the day. It's just been chilling. Day off. Happy President's Day. How's your stream? I assume you're doing some Linux stuff or something. Yeah, I remember you're here earlier, man. For sure. I always remember when you stopped by. Mostly Linux and security stuff. Man, Het Tennis. I want to I need a new server, I think. I want to start, like, my dedicated server that I have now, I think it's like 8 years old, man. I haven't done anything to it in a long time. I think it's time I just kind of shelf it and I get a new one. But I don't know where to get one. Like, my current server is from No6 right now. Robodom, how are you doing? Yeah, I don't own it. I only lease it from a company. So I got one from No6. And I'm looking for another one, man. But I don't need it immediately. I don't know where, like, Rack Nerd? Do they have dedicateds? Man, Black Friday. What kind of gimmicks are these? Black Friday's gone. Oh, these are VPSs. Let me see what they got. Dedicated. Dang. Man. Oh, this is a V4 though. One usable IP. Anyways, I'll check it out. Enzo Bear, what's happening? Alright, I'm trying to get this dang thing. So I just started working with this cursor stuff. And wait, how come this can't find it? Co-stream, build it and set it up for everyone to see. Nah, those things you don't even build it, man. You just buy it from a data center and then they just give you access to it. Hey, what does all this junk mean, man? Module not found? Is it this thing? Why is it tripping? Can't even make a script out here. Alright, we don't want this. So update user stats. Let's just try and run. Well. I don't know what's going on here. But I assume it's this create clients. Hold on, let me just go to the actual website. Man, I did this. We did this, right? How come I'm still tripping? How come nothing ain't working? Anyways, oh shit. Because I renamed it, man. That's what that means. Come on, Jesus Christ. Wait. How come we can't find this dang thing? Stats is void. I don't think it's even reaching there, man. Like, it's not even doing anything there. It's just, you know, module not found. What the hell does that mean, man? Oh. But, alright. So it doesn't have whatever it's pointing to, this/main.index.js. I don't see any of that, you know? What the hell is going on, man? Why can't these things just work sometimes? I don't know what this means, but I'm gonna try it. No. It is imported in index.js. Read it. What do you mean, read it? I don't know what to do. Nothing works. So why, all right, why anytime I try and import this, it's tripping? I run that. And I import that. and then it trips. Should we just try it? Can I just delete like that, man? Legacy period. Let's try it. Looks like it's for this thing. You only have source. Yeah, I don't know what that means. Yeah, but this is like a npm node module thing. So I didn't even install like I just installed the package, you know. And it's still tripping. Man, why everything always not working anytime I'm trying to do front end stuff, you know? Anyways, I'm about to give up on this. I don't know what to do. Ask the AI. Yeah, been asking the AI, man. Cannot find package. How do I proceed? I'm just typing in a whole bunch of junk at this point. Should I try yarn? I don't even know. Alright, I'm trying to delete stuff again, huh? What is this? What is this link you're sending? Oh, interesting. So how come I don't have those things? What the heck is going on here, you know? Maybe wrap the package in quotes. Oh, look, it has this thing now, man. What the hell? Isn't that crazy? Maybe it was that other package that installed. But still, it's tripping. Look at that. It says now I don't have it. But I just saw it. Look, it's like it just deleted, man. I swear it was there, and then now it's not. I don't know what to do. Should I make a Docker? Make a Docker file. Wait. Oh, you're saying do this. Alright, look at this, man. Supabase. No, it doesn't have the thing here now. But man, it was there before, I swear. Jesus Christ. Why is this web dev stuff so annoying? Maybe there's no Windows dev, or your environment is messed up in some way. Yeah, something must be wrong. That's why I'm trying to make the Docker file and then just run it in Docker or something. But I forget how to do all that. Try to do dependencies and provide star as version number. What do you mean? I don't know how to do that. Just put a star here instead of this, is what you're saying? Sounds crazy, but I'll do it. Should I delete this? All right. Man, what the heck is going on? It's okay, it's okay. Because we're gonna try and containerize this junk anyways. How do I make a Docker image? I don't know how to do any of these things, but I already got one of these files. Yes, build the image. Okay. Oh dang, I don't want to call it my app. I want to call this Algo Tracker. Name of the image. All right, let's see. Man, I haven't done shit today because I've been trying to figure this out for like an hour, it feels, man. I mean, this isn't doing anything, but let me see now. So Docker stop. Man, same damn problem. Node error. Module not found. It must be something dumb, huh? That's how my package JSON looks. So you're saying I should just try this? Yeah, I don't know why I have no dist files. The hell does that mean, man? I've never had this problem before, you know, and then now today I'm having this problem. Oh, are you saying it might be like all this junk here? But there isn't any crazy, maybe this dev thing. Like, I don't know what this is. This was just npm init, you know? Maybe I need a script or something. Oh, now it's working. I don't know what I did, but I did something. Alright, let me get my dang Supabase stuff. Hold on. Alright, so what the heck? So it's not even, these are empty. How can we, alright. How the hell do I make it read my .env file, you know? Having database class flashbacks. Source.env, that's what I have to do. Well, I don't know if that's like a process.env. I'm gonna just hard code it, man, because I'm tired of dealing with these dang issues. Because who knows what the hell is going on there, you know? I really need to revisit some web dev stuff though, for real. It's good to be able to code your own website. There should be a .env for Node.js. Oh, do I need that? Well, I just hard-coded those things. What? All right. We're making progress. What the hell is this puny code, man? All right, let me start commenting, re-commenting in some of these things now. Jesus, wasted a lot of time trying to figure out what the hell was wrong. All right, let's see where things error out. ID does not exist. Profiles.id does not exist. Is that true? UUID. We need the UUID and we need the LeetCode profile. And then now let's see. All right, did it work? Let's check in our LeetCode. Of course, nothing happened. because, all right, the stats, something errors with the stats, clearly. Let's do that one more time. Oh, let me put all this junk back in. Should have just scraped it myself, right? So it came in here, did it even do anything? That's what we need to figure out. So it doesn't even call that thing, man. What's up? So it says, oh, I see. LeetCode profile. All right, let's try now. All right, I don't know if this thing is working. Wait for selector. Uh-oh. They don't believe I'm a human. They think I'm a bot trying to scrape their stuff. That's okay. That's all good. What is my goal? I'm trying to scrape profiles from LeetCode. It's hard. Avocado Violet, what's happened? Hard for you? I have an idea. I think we have to make... This used to be what I did back in my day. Make a lot of internet data scraping tools and stuff. So I'm not surprised that going out here doesn't work. So I think we have to get more creative here. It's probably detecting like JavaScript isn't being executed or something. Because if this is probably saying, let's see what it's saying. HTML something. Oh yeah, so it's like a Cloudflare thing right here. Probably for a few reasons. Maybe because the dang user agent is a little bit suspicious here for whatever the puppeteer thing we're using. Just grab user agent from your browser. Yeah, let's just use a different user agent. But I'm pretty sure it's more than just a user agent here. Hold on. Puppeteer.launch. Do I have to specify headless here? And then how do I specify my user agents? Set user agents. And then I'm sure there are more things that I'm gonna have to do here. Flumsy, what's happening? Use this package in the past for scraping stuff. User agents. Oh, just to create a random user agent. Wait, what does it say? Cannot access page before initialization. Oh, maybe. Alright, this looks more promising, but I think still not quite what we're looking for. It looks different, you know? But we'll see. Man, it's too long. Write to file instead of, yeah, how do I do that, man? Right. Can I do that? Let's see. Hey, how the hell can I open a PDF? Microsoft Edge. All right. Okay. That looks good. That looks real good, actually. So now, let's see. Trying to wait for something in particular, maybe. Something good to wait for. Man, can I just set it to like wait for a few seconds? Let me see what that PDF looks like if I wait for 3 seconds before I print it. Oh shit, I got something, but those numbers aren't correct. Yeah, look at that. All right, it's giving me the dang mobile mode. But we can work with this. We can work with this. So easies. No, these aren't true. Flex, no. We gotta find the new things for these. Puppeteer has some function that waits for elements to appear. Yeah, I just don't know what elements I need to wait for it to appear. That's my issue, really. So it's in here where we can see these numbers, right? How can we scrape these numbers nicely though? Do I hit them with some query selector for all? What are they talking about, man? Can I just put this whole thing like that? I don't know what these mean. Do I just put the dots in them? Or is that weird? Let me see what it does, man. You can go to elements and grab XPath or figure out CSS selectors. Hold on. Fail to execute. So whatever I type there ain't right. Let me try. Like, I don't know anything about CSS selectors really. I might just use regex. Or we're trying to just copy what the selector XPath maybe. What does an XPath look like? That looks a little bit sketch. All right, I'll do my own thing real quick. So regex tester or something. Let's try and regex this stuff out. What do we need? We're looking for the easies, mediums, hards. How do I see the matches, man? Where's the match at? No matches. How do I work this? Oh, there's one match. Okay, okay. So, all right, let me look for easy. For sure, I'm able to find easy, right? Yes. Easy. Medium, hard. Easy. Medium, hard. What the hell, man? Am I tripping? Regex for HTML? Yeah. I know it's not the best, but you know what? I know how to make it work. Well, I think so, but now I'm not sure, man. Hey, what the hell is going on here? All right, let me look for that number. It's nowhere. How can it be? Oh, it's just an empty, it's just a dang empty website, man. Look at that. All the data is populated elsewhere. All right, I gotta figure out how we can get that. So this is the page. Oh wait, you know what? It's because because I need the contents. All right, let's see. Try and get that file so we can see what's actually in there. Uh-oh. Wait, how do you work? Do I have to do that? All right, 1, 2, 3. Where's my HTML page? There we go. All right, let's use this in our regex thing. All right, now we got some real matches. There we go. Look at that, man. Where's the easies? All right. How are we gonna get these dang numbers? Let's try /d. How do you say any amount of times? At least once. Wait. I mean, I could do this for now, but I don't think this is last too long. Easy, medium, hard. Maybe I can try to make it a little bit more safe. That'll probably give it a little bit of safety. And then fonts medium. Yeah, maybe we can take that too in front of here, just so we don't get many false positives. Let me escape those weird characters just to be sure. And I guess I'll just use this as my regex. So noob question, does LeetCode website have an API and can you do what you're trying to do through that? Otherwise you're just trying to scrape the data as in read it from going to websites. Yeah, they don't have a public API, man. Maybe one day I'll hit their GraphQL thing up, but right now it's not the day for that. Okay, so I don't need this anymore. We need the HTML regex match on okay, so I need my matches. Put that in there. And the first, well, man, should I just grab all of this too? Hold on. Div. And then capture this. Just like easy. So at least we know what groups we're in. But I don't see the medium, man. I only see easy, medium. Oh, medium is just med dot. All right, we got easy, we got mediums, and we got hards. I'll use this as my regex. And I don't know what this is. I'll delete that. Let's see if that works, man. No, that did not work. That did not work. But look, this worked. So maybe these groups are wrong. Does it have with a group 0? Maybe they're like 0 indexed. I think can wait 2 seconds? No. Man, how the hell matches match? All right. Check if group 1 is easy, medium, or hard. They're tripping, man. It's right there. Look, easy, medium, hard. Orion's Belt, how you doing? Just joined. There is a new Vim plugin for LeetCode, if that is helpful. Nah, we're not trying to do that. Wait, how come? All right, my matches are here, but how come they're not grouping them? Does this group the matches? Puppeteer regex group. Man, so I have the group here, but man, do you know what I'm saying? The group, I capture it in a group, but then I don't know how, like I can't access it. Let me just do that and see what's up. Match A? What the heck does that mean, man? Oh, this is taking the actual character. That's lame. Because, alright, so this isn't like a string. I mean, this... So this is saying regex match array. Alright, so this, clearly I don't know how to use JavaScript. JavaScript regex match with groups. Yeah, I'm trying to capture a dang group, man. But it ain't work. Match all? No. Oh, won't return group if that G flag is set. I don't know what that G flag means. You can still use match all to get all matches. Okay. I don't know if that means groups or what. Oh, look at that finally, it is working. So I just have to use match all instead of match. G flag is global. All right, so we got the easy, medium, hard counts. We got to get the dang contest rating now. So let me try and do that. Oops. Contest rating, where would that be? Right here. And we can find this. Hopefully easily. Right here. But it's like, I hate to do things like this, but I'll do it, I guess. It's like if they change any of their CSS, it doesn't work anymore, you know? And then I have to go and update things, which is a bit annoying. So I think the best way is to use the GraphQL API, but maybe I'll do that another time. Thanks, this matched twice. Whatever, it works. All right, so that's the rating. Yes, and then attended. Let's try and find that. Attended 101. I mean, I might as well just take all this stuff too, yeah? Or maybe not. All right, I'll take it like this. Problem counts. All right, what time is it? We still got 45 minutes to go before I end, but I think this is a little bootleg, but I think it'll be all right, you know. Dang. Easy, nan. That's not good. I didn't change anything, man. How come it's not working now? I'll try it one more time. Man, look at that. It's tripping on the easies now. Did I change something? match. Look at that, match one, easy. Oh, I see why. All right, here we go. Oh, lordy. All right, error, error. This is good. Except my racing is not good. Let me do that. Oh, snap. Yeah, that should be all right, huh? We're almost there. We're getting closer. So the racing says not a number. I don't believe them. So I'm gonna try and see it for myself. Oh, that's gonna just return an object, right? Yeah, dang, maybe I should have used the GraphQL instead of doing all this other junk. How is it saying undefined, man? What are they talking about, you know? Maybe the spaces are tripping. There's some stuff, I assume. What are you gonna do with it? I'm going to add this to my database and we'll see. Yo, they don't want me to get this racing. They're tripping, man. Okay. They're telling me this doesn't exist. Let's see. Alright, so it must be something with the match. Like it's matching here. I pick it up here. But I'm not picking it up in the thing. So I have a feeling it's one of these weird stuff going on in here. Maybe one of these kind of DSLR camera. It's a ZVE one. Alright, so something is wrong with this regex not being picked up properly. And I think it must be one of these weird symbols, man, you know? So I'm just going to escape all of them. Wait, this one has symbols too. Escaping those. Maybe, alright, I've seen... I don't see any more symbols to escape here, man. And then it seems the spaces are okay. Because this has a bunch of spaces. Where could it be? I'm capturing the group. Alright, let me try one more time. Why is it tripping? This is why I hate JavaScript and don't like working on it. Yeah. I don't know. It's so annoying, man, because I don't know where it's messing up, you know. But like the regex seems fine when I copy the contents and I try it on the regex matcher, it works, but when I try it here it doesn't work, unfortunately. But look, one of this matches with something, right? Rating match. So annoying, man. Hopefully we can get it real soon though, because time is ticking here. Alright, I'm gonna change up this regex then. Maybe they're not ready for it like that. Let me start simple. I'm just going to capture this, just attended. And I'm gonna erase all this other stuff, man. Maybe I should try that CSS selector junk. Hold on. None of these have like a name or an ID. Wait. So what is that I was gonna try? Attended. Alright, so look, this is not even picking up, man. This stuff right here, this should at least match, like, right? Am I crazy right now? I'm going crazy. They're telling me there's no digits like that. I don't believe it, man. Alright, I'm gonna try something a little bit more crazy right now. Maybe. Maybe what happens if I put this above this one? Can't access. Alright, I don't think this has any difference because it looks like it errored out. Can we add a debugger and check what live values are? I don't know how to do a debugger, man. Look, attended, also nothing, rating nothing. But this should match something for sure, you know? Like, something is terribly wrong. I wonder what it could be. very, very wrong. Yeah, maybe this, I mean, no, when I print the HTML, it's there though, you know? All right, we're gonna try something else. Careful that regex is case sensitive. Yeah, it should be picking up this attended though, right here. This is what I want, you know? As main Harun from YouTube, what's happening? How do I feel about AGI? I don't know yet, man, but it's coming along, I guess. Can you regex your literal rating? Yeah, that's what I was trying also. Let me hard code it though. 2113. You see, like, all these regex matches are working when I try them in like a regex matcher, but here, look, it's not even undefined here, which makes me feel something ain't right, you know? Dang, what the hell is all this? Oh, look, now it wants to work. Should I just hit them with a match and see what happens? Alright, so when I hit them with the match, it works. But then when I hit them with the match, it doesn't work. But it's supposed to work, you know? Oh, snap. I know what's happening. I know what's happening. Alright, we figured it out. Look at that, racing is there. Dang, Acorn, what's happening? Thank you very much for the raid. How's everyone doing? Name is Midnight Simon. I'm working on my little website, man. I don't even know where it's at. But this is, well, first is midnightsimon.com, but I'm working on adding like a LeetCode scraper thing. So we're trying to scrape all the data from our LeetCode profiles. And we're having some difficulties, but we're making progress. So I've added this profile thing where you can put your LeetCode profile. And then now I'm working on this scraper that's gonna go in and scrape all the information, and then we're gonna have like a leaderboard for all the people who register. We're gonna put like most solves, most hard problems, most highest contest rating, whatever, you know. Midnight Simon sounds pretty accurate. Yeah, in 30 minutes it'll be accurate. But yeah, Acorn, I don't know if you're still on, but I know that you made a type racer like website, and I'm trying to do that too, man. I'm trying to make a type racer like website one day. That's what I'm working on right now. I want to just redo type racer, but build it in-house and have it multiplayer. And I really want to use C++ on the back end, which is a bit strange, maybe. But I'm a C++ engineer, but I've never built C++ anything except at work. So I think this is a nice project to use C++. It's against my religion to use elite code. What? I didn't know people had a religion like that. Anyways, that's what's going on here. We're trying to just scrape data right now. But I only got 30 minutes left before I gotta go. Okay. So we're like using regex on HTML, which is probably not the best, but I don't know how else to do it. C++ is an interesting choice for web backend, but it's certainly doable. Yeah, I think my biggest reason is I want to build something with C++. That's like my #1 reason. And that's like my only reason. I guess #2, it's supposed to be performance. Then use Rust. I don't know Rust. I don't know any Rust. All right, here we go. So I'm gonna change this to a for loop. And then we just want that one group. All right, let's see if this works now. Rusty on Rust. I'm not even rusty. I just never done it before. All right, my racing is there. My attended still not working. Man. Oh, that's because I switched this dang thing to something that's silly. Let me make that regex again. Oh, it's right here. Very good. All right, let me bring this back over here. And hopefully that's good. I hope I don't have to escape anything else. I'll escape some. Yeah, I think I've escaped some things already. All right, let me try that. JCast19, what's happening? What is this supposed to do? We're trying to scrape LeetCode information, man. All right, now I just have to update this thing. Last updated. So I need to go into my Supabase and like add this column or something. Update to that. Create to that. Update to that. Not last updated. It's updated at. All right, here we go. This took a long time tonight, man, to do this. Could not find LeetCode contests. Yes, that is not a column name. The column name is contest attended. And then medium solved. So easy solved, medium solved, hard solved. What else is there? Rating. And all right, let's try that. Let's try that. Oh lordy. Medium solved. Medium med solved. All right, this is it for sure. Backspace 101, thank you very much for the follow. Invalid input. Type UUID. All right. Oh, wait. ID, it's not, it's just ID. But I want to upsert, I guess. Let's try that. Oh, we're almost done with this simple scraper. Uh-oh, now I need to mix. Oh, we've been through this earlier today, man, where I made a new table and I didn't have any of these dang policies. So let me make a policy now. What do we want to do here? I don't want anybody. I want... Supabase admin, maybe? I don't know how to do this part. I'll figure this stuff out later. I'm gonna say true. But I don't, are you setting a security policy for your own database? Yes, I am, but I don't know anything about security policies, really. So I'm not like, this data, what I want? I want only like myself to, oh, this is gonna be public though. I leave it public for now because it's not real data yet, you know? And I'll try and figure out how to set my security policies up nicer. Because I'd like for all public profiles to be able to read, but then only like admins to be able to edit that information, you know? So let me just say everybody can edit for now. Anybody who's authenticated can edit, or anybody. And I'll fix this scripts later on. I just want to see it work right now, you know? Don't worry, the Doge team doesn't know anything about security policy either. Alright, so I think that added something. Let me look in the table real quick. Got the LeetCode profile. There we go. There's my UUID. Should I also add my LeetCode username here, man? LeetCode username. And it's gonna be a string. Or text, I guess. Alright. So this is just a script. I'll tell you what the script is doing real quick. First, it's connecting to the Supabase thing, and then it's reading, what is it doing? So it's reading all the UUIDs from LeetCode profile, which is here. And then it's querying all of them on LeetCode. And then it's scraping the data, and it's just uploading it. So anytime somebody registers for my site, and they put in the profile, they put in their LeetCode profile, then your data will be scraped and picked up, and eventually I'll replace this type racer link to a leaderboard link, and then within here we'll have the type racer leaderboard, and we'll have like LeetCode leaderboard, so we can see, you know, some numbers. But I haven't uploaded anything yet, so you can't really register right now. Like my live site is a few versions behind. The only thing you can do on the live site is sign up with Twitch right now, but everything else is still old. So if you sign up or log in with Twitch, then there's all the email stuff, but the profile stuff isn't updated to put it up here. We're getting there slowly. It's coming along. Website looks so cool. Thank you very much, Avocado Violets. I've been working on this for some time. My original website, which I made back in 2022, this is my original website. It was handcrafted HTML, and I used to have to SSH into my server and edit my HTML file to add like a new user. I'd like copy and paste a new star or a new diamond or whatever, and it was a pain in the ass to maintain. Every time a new type racer champ came on, I added them manually. Yeah, so new website, I actually don't have to do much manual labor anymore. Kept the theme and switched it up to feel more friendly. Yeah, I kind of just modernized the website a little bit. So a lot of the original things are still there, just enhanced. All right, what are we doing? I was trying to... Man, should I deploy it? Should I deploy whatever? No, I can't deploy it yet. I'll deploy it next time. Oh, I was trying to fix it where I guess I'll just insert into my LeetCode profile username thing. Can you make a random Easter egg of a type racer logo flying across the screen? Maybe I'll add it to the list. Jim Jam Biscuit, thank you very much for that. Hydrates. Cheers. How are you hosting the website? It's self-hosted, so I rent a dedicated server. I rent a dedicated server from No6, and I pay like $70, $80 a month, which is a lot, maybe, but it's also somewhat powerful. I don't know which one I got. I think I got this one or something similar. Not this one. I don't have that much. I don't have 128 gigs of RAM. I got it. But I think I got this processor, the dual Xeon 2670s. To use it mainly for this project. I use it for a few things. Like I've had this dedicated server for about 7 or 8 years, man, and I think I need a new one because it's getting a bit old and I haven't really done any maintenance on it except like software upgrades and whatnot. But even then I've fallen behind. It hasn't really been turned off in 7 years, and it makes me a bit worried. So I might get a new one, just upgrade the hardware. But historically, I've used this for hobby projects like this. I've also used it to host my own like game servers if I'm playing Minecraft or Terraria or 7 Days to Die or whatever. Any of those games where you can have a dedicated server, I always use this server for it. I used to have databases on here that I would keep my data when I used to do other types of work that I don't do anymore. And I host like family and friend websites on my dedicated server too, even though lately I don't have too many of those going on. I used to do a lot more like freelancing and stuff maybe 5+ years ago, and this dedicated server is just kind of like an artifact from that era. But I still like having a dedicated server. I think, you know, cloud servers are cool and all that, and you pay for what you use and all that, and it's really nice to scale. But man, it's so expensive too. Like, like I think this is a 64 core, no, 32 cores or something, or 64. I don't even know how many cores. 32 cores, let's say, and like 64 gigs of RAM. If I were to get a comparable like EC2, if you never need to scale, cloud is a bad deal. Yeah, I guess so. Like I don't need to scale at all, but I suppose you could run this on a really cheap service, like a free service or something. But I don't know. I really just like having my own firepower, man. I like having my own machines where I'm paying a flat rate for all the power for them, even if I might not use it all the time. It just makes me feel cool. What's the difference between this and a cloud server? I guess when we say cloud, I suppose everything is kind of in the cloud because this isn't in my closet. This, I guess when we say cloud, it means like a infrastructure as a service like AWS or Google Cloud or Microsoft Azure. It's not just a dedicated server off location. It's like a whole ecosystem that allows you to deploy new servers and all that stuff. But the price per power is a lot more expensive. I don't know how much more expensive, but I'd say, I don't know, at least 20 times as expensive or something. This is a good deal because your site runs fast. Does it? I mean, your static HTML could have been a GitHub page. Yeah, like I don't need much to host what I have right now. But it's nice to just be able, I think of my dedicated server as you would think about maybe your cell phone bill, man. You don't even think if you're using all your data or using it every month. You just kind of pay for it. And I think as a developer, I used to tinker a lot more than I do now. But as a developer, I always thought about a dedicated server in the same way. It's like a cell phone bill, man. It's 60, 70 bucks a month. You can get it cheaper and you just pay it. And then you just have access to this thing 24/7. Your own machine out there that you can SSH into and you can host things on. And you can do whatever you want on there. What do you use to host the site? JCast 19, that's what I've been talking about, man. It's my own server. Have you ever considered switching out the rental server and going with your own hardware and hosting from your own place? Absolutely not. If I were to have my own hardware, I would do co-location instead. Means you buy your server rack and then you go to a data center and then you install your server rack into that data center. And then you can just SSH into it wherever, anytime. So I don't own my hardware in the data center, I only lease it. And maybe at this point I should have just bought my own and leased like the space instead. But it still works out to the same price, man. Because, alright, when I'm leasing my server, I don't own the server, but I also don't have to pay upfront for it. And I don't have to pay for additional, I have like unmetered 1 gigabit bandwidth, which isn't crazy amounts, but it's okay enough for one server. I also have free electricity, so I don't have to worry, the data center pays that. I pay monthly for it, it's included. If I were to host it at home, I'd have to worry about all those things, and then the house internet isn't the same as a data center internet. And electricity and heat and all that stuff might also be a problem. So overall, I think it's a decent deal, man. I used ngrok reverse HTTP tunneling, but it becomes a headache to keep relaunching it. So the time not wasted on maintenance is key. Xeon 2699 CPUs on eBay are cheap. Yeah, I don't know. I wouldn't want my server at my physical home though, man. Free electricity, I would have that bad boy mining bitcoins. Orion's belts. I used to mine coins. Back when, a long time ago, I used to mine a lot of Zcash. No, Monero. I used to mine a lot of Monero. A long time ago. Monero is like another coin. And I think Monero was special because you could mine it with CPU instead of GPU. It is like a CPU mining coin. And the servers were so cheap, man. I used to have so many servers mining Monero and it used to make money because the servers are like 50 bucks a month and free electricity. I just run them all day. And how long? That was like 10 years ago now. Yeah, now I have a real job. I don't have to deal with all that stuff, man. You need some kind of business line to host from your house. Yeah, I actually have two internets at home. I have a business line and I have a regular line. But still, I wouldn't want that at my house. I just rather have it at a data center, you know. Anyways, what are we doing? So we made that little LeetCode profile scraper today. We made that profile page today. I'll be streaming again on Wednesday. Maybe I'll actually build a leaderboard page for the LeetCode stuff. Oh, man, I was thinking if I should deploy this now, but I don't think I'll deploy it yet because I still need to set up my security policies for the database. I don't trust it right now. And then that's it. Hopefully after this week, everybody can start registering and then we can start to see on the LeetCode leaderboards, like people's contest ratings, problem solved, and all that junk, man. Having a server at home cooks the room in the summer. Yeah, I also don't want that, you know. They're all different. Messing with server racks can be fun if you're into that kind of thing. I mess with my servers virtually, man, and I don't really. Usually from these data centers, you can KVM into the servers, which is like keyboard, video, mouse. Like basically you can log in even when the server is not booted, and it's pretty cool. So you don't, for like 99% of the times, you don't have to physically be there unless there's a hardware failure. Then you have to message the data center and be like, look, my server is messed up, I can't connect to it, can you investigate? And they take, sometimes they'll do it same day, sometimes it takes a few days for them to get back to you. I've never had a server hardware fail on me, but I've had colleagues whose servers died and they weren't very well backed up. My shit's not very well backed up, but over the weekend I just backed up my server and did a service on it so that it at least backs up the MySQL database that everything on this website is running on. Anyways, it's coming along, man. I have visions of this website. I think, all right, once we finish out the LeetCode leaderboards, what am I gonna work on next? I think after the LeetCode leaderboards is finished, I'm gonna start working on man, should I start working on C++ backend for the WebSockets? That's coming soon, man. It must be coming soon. I suppose I also have to fill out some problems here. Man, I'm working on a lot of things. Some of the things are really exciting and I'd like to show everyone, but I don't think it's ready to be showed. I don't think y'all are ready for it, man. It's a little bit too intense. C++ with Folly Library, what's that? Facebook open source library. I've never built anything with C++, man, so it'll be interesting. What is this? Just like a whole bunch of libraries to use? Man, Bobby Blue, thank you very much for the raid. How you doing, Bobby Blue? Now you coming in here, you trying to type race immediately. We can do that. I guess I'm pretty much done here today, so let's just type race and then I'll end stream, find somebody to raid. We can do that. This is the end of the stream, man. Here we go. All right, YouTube, there's the link for the type racer. Send it in the Discord. All right, first race is the warm-up. Second race is the championship round. Wait, is this it? Yeah, this is it. Here we go. Dang. It's gonna be a fast warm-up round. I expect to see a lot of triple digits. Man, 102, 105. 22 or Tuto 1902. Thank you very much for the raid. Just in time for the Type Racer finals. I just sent the link if you're interested in joining. There's a lot of people in here, man. How are you doing? How are you doing? Are you ready to race? If you win this race, man, you could be immortalized on the Type Racer leaderboards right here. So, all right, the championship round is coming up right now. This is it. The next race we do is for all the money. Here we go. And then after this, I'm out of here. So thank you for the raids, but I'm going to be raiding somebody in a bit. Let me check the competition. Man, there is serious competition in here. You got to get in here right now, though. All right, championship round. Oh shit! I don't have the camera set up. Man, Q with the 103, first place. Very nice. I got triple digits at least with 100 WPMs. And guests 82, Moriot 82, Clistar 82, dang, 82, 82, 82. Oh, Pseudo Mateo, that's you in third. And then after that, 76, Icy Black Deep 67. Come on, man. 949. Man, you gotta work on that typing. Although maybe English might not be your first language, so that's acceptable. But if English is your first language and you're hitting 49, you gotta work on that, man. Alright, Q with the 103. Type Racer Champ. Congratulations, Q. You were about to get dusted by Don't Defense, because Don't Defense caught you up, man. But with that win that you just pulled off, you're back ahead. Congratulations. So we got Q Ultimus with how much? 103? Type Racer Champ. Very, very nice. Don't Defense back in 5th place. My hands so cold. Dang, I know that feeling. When you raid someone, there could be people still typing. Nah, that race is over, man. All them people done. Alright, that's it. Look at the time. It's exactly midnight. Well, it's a little bit past midnight now. Alright, I'm gonna go raid somebody. Do we raid LeetCode streamers? Do we raid Sergeant Pepper? Let's go raid Sergeant Pepper. He's in here sometimes. He's doing LeetCode, it seems. Alright, thank you everyone for tuning in. It's been a fun day. Today was a double stream day. I streamed earlier in the afternoon, and then I streamed again at my regular streaming time. So I feel like I'm on a roll with this web dev stuff. Everything is starting to make sense. Supabase is starting to click. Remix is for sure starting to click. The server side actions and whatnot, everything is flowing, man. So I'm really excited to keep going on this project and see how much we can do this year for this website. And Pinto Fool, Icy Black Deep, Tuto, have a good night. Software Tools, BM Killer, Q Ultimus, have a good night. See you next time. Bobby Blue, if you're still around, see you later. Crap Azores, see you later. Pseudo Mateo, have a good night. Thank you for tuning in. Orion's Belts, Avocado Violets, adios amigos. Who else is out there? Everybody who's lurking, JCast19, Gilgamesh, have a good night. And YouTube, everybody from YouTube, see you later. And everybody else, farewell, my friends. About to go raid.